Every single day, we speak to pilgrims who are traumatized and in tears. They came to Saudi Arabia to perform Umrah, to feel peace, gratitude, and joy. They stood before the Kaaba, made tawaf, walked between Safa and Marwa, drank Zamzam, prayed at the masjid, and completed their Umrah. They should be returning home with hearts full, not broken. Instead, many leave deeply distressed by what they witness in the streets. Sick cats with severe eye infections, injured cats, cats dragging themselves because their back legs are paralyzed, mother cats desperately searching for kittens that have been taken or scattered, kittens found alone everywhere, cats suffering, and cats that have died. This is not what anyone expects to see in Makkah and Medina. Pilgrims don't know what to do. They don't speak the language. They don't know who to contact, and they feel helpless. Seeing this suffering overshadows their entire Umrah experience. This is not how Umrah should end. No one should return home carrying this kind of pain in their heart.